A lot of our favorite cars are too expensive to buy now, but it wasn't always that way. This E30 M3 sold for $6,000 in 2005. Guess how much that sold for today?
How much?
$150,000. Nothing is real, money is fake. Why are we even grown-ups now? Today we're gonna go back to that time. We found a bunch of classified ads from the past, and Jeremiah and I are gonna try and guess how much they sold for before used car prices went bonkers.
2,800 bucks?
That's a 10x investment.
Why didn't we buy a
We
bunch
should
of
have
these?
bought all these when we were 19. I'm James, he's Jeremiah. Welcome to Donut. We're going with closest to the pin rules, which means you can go over and still win as long as you're closest to the price.
All right, you guys ready for the first car?
Yes.
Our first car is a 1986 Toyota Corolla SR5 that was listed for sale in 2013 on the Club 4AG forum.
I was a member of this forum in high school. I graduated high school in 2003.
This car has a 5-speed, 136,000 miles on it, burns some oil, and it's got Megan lowering springs. Value for a comparable car today would be about $10,000 to $20,000.
2013, $3,000.
Yeah, that's a pretty good guess. Can you secretly tell me what you paid for yours?
What I paid for mine?
Yeah.
Never. Actually, I'm gonna lower my guess. I bet in 2013, I bet this thing sold for $1,500 bucks.
1,500 bucks?
I bet.
Okay, I'm gonna say 3,200.
The list price for the AE86, $2,500. So our winner for that one is Jeremiah.
Ugh.
You know what? It was any man's game.
Yeah.
And if I'm gonna lose to anybody, I'm glad it's here.
All right, next car. This is a 1989 Mustang GT Fox body that was listed for sale in 2009 on StangNet. It's got a 5-speed manual, new transmission and rear end, and it runs strong.
It appears to be leaking oil.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna guess $3,200.
$3,200 bucks.
The same guess I guessed last time.
I think all cars back then were $3,200. I agree with you. I'm gonna say $2,700.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
I'm gonna say $3,500. No, trust my gut. $2,700 bucks.
The Mustang GT was listed for $2,500.
Dude, that is a deal and a half.
That's a great deal.
I would buy that right
dude,
now.
2,500
For
bucks
sure,
for a
dude.
5.0?
It's not a desirable color, but it is.
Yeah.
Put some gold wheels on that boy.
Yeah.
Shine her up.
Okay, our next vehicle is a 1987 Mazda RX7 Turbo 2. It was listed for sale in 2004 on the No Pistons forum. It's got under 40,000 miles and some light modifications.
Bonus point if you can guess where this is.
Where this is?
Yeah.
They got trees
Uh-huh.
and pools.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Pacific Northwest, somewhere in Oregon.
There's a pool, so it's gotta be, I'm gonna say this is in, somewhere in Arizona, like Flagstaff or something.
It's located in Oregon.
Bit of a botanist. In 2004, a second-gen RX-7 was worth nothing.
Yeah.
This is a cool one, Turbo 2.
Yeah.
It's got, by name, it's got a turbo on it.
Right, 40,000 miles.
40,000 miles. Back in the day, $1,200 bucks.
I was gonna guess 2,500,
Yeah.
2,400.
List price for this was $2,800.
Oh, okay, nice. This should make me happy because we're getting real close.
Uh-huh.
But it's also like, why didn't we buy a
We
bunch
should
of
have
these?
bought all these when we were 19.
2,400 bucks. How much was it?
$2,800.
2,800
Dude,
bucks
that's a 10x investment
for a sub
in 20
40,000
years.
mile car. Ugh.
All right, our next car is a 1990 Porsche 964 Carrera 4, listed for sale in 2011 on REDLITHIUM. It's got 69,000 miles.
Are these air cooled?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the second to last air cooled
Second to last air
911. I love how the headlight, like the shape goes all the way down the fender. It looks
Yeah.
like a mailbox.
An identical spec sold on Bring a Trailer this month for
For
$90,000.
Okay, I'm gonna say $13,000 car.
I'm gonna say 40 grand.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
The list price for the 964 was $18,500.
Ah!
Go watch another video we've done. You can't find a car that's new for 18,000.
There's Geo Metros that have sold on Bring a Trailer for 18 grand.
Yeah.
Okay, our next vehicle is a 1992 Acura NSX that sold in 2003 on nsxprime.com. It has 42,000 miles, and all maintenance was done at an Acura dealership.
Yeah, I'm gonna say 43,000. 41.5.
I'm gonna say $25,000.
If it's close to that, I'll be furious.
Why? Because they sell for like 80 now.
Is that what they're going for?
80 to 120.
The list price was $28,900.
What?
Senna helped design this car.
And you think they got lower than that too?
You used to be able to buy cars for not much money if you had good taste.
Our next car is a 1992 Nissan 240 SX that sold in 2006 on Zilvia.net. It's got 100,000 miles on the KA24. It's not the original engine.
Well, this is $1,200 car.
Yeah. In 2002, I bought a 1993 240 SX for $3,000.
Yeah.
So this is an early one. You can tell by the bumper. It's called Pig Nose. Not the original motor, but this one came with a single overhead cam engine. So this is like pre-FD in America. This is when you still had to be a nerd to know about drifting.
Yeah.
$3,500 car in 2006.
I'm gonna say $2,100.
List price was $3,200.
Good freaking guess, dude. Was that on the money?
No, it's
300 off.
Damn.
Well, we are ready to move on to our next vehicle. A 2000 Acura Integra Type R that sold in 2007 on the Honda Tech forums. A similar mileage example just sold on Bring a Trailer for 60 grand, and we know these can go over 100 with low mileage.
Yeah,
Didn't one sell? Didn't one of these sell for like $195,000?
Yeah, it was a white one, I think.
Sold in 2007.
In SoCal?
$15,000.
I mean, I don't know. What were Type R's brand new? 25, 30K? I'm just going to assume that Max is going to game this. This is going to be lower, and I'm going to say 13.5.
In 2007, the Integra Type R was listed for 17.5.
I went under.
I know, and that's higher than it
what
should
you
have been.
thought, yeah.
I would have offered him 15.
All right, this next one maybe is catered more towards Jeremiah.
Okay, great.
Oh!
A 1997
Just give him
Camaro
car.
SS sold
50th
in
anniversary
2005 on Z28.com.
35th.
This is a 30th anniversary edition.
30th.
It's got SLP parts, a 6-speed, and T-tops.
What does it say these are worth right now?
Bring a trailer value is about 25 for
Yeah,
one of these in
that's still
similar
not
condition.
very. I paid with my Catfish, I paid 10K. It had 38,000 miles on it. Original owner
You paid
is
10 for yours?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna say $8,000. Because I don't think that someone with a listing like that is gonna try and like bargain barrel this thing.
I think 8 is too low. I would
Yeah?
love to buy this thing for that. What year again did it say?
This was for sale in 2005.
I gotta get this right. If I don't get this one right,
Yeah,
I'd
then
lose
you're-
my Catfish King.
Yeah, you're no
My
longer King Catfish.
Oh my God, why am I so, this is like making me sweat. I don't know. 2005, I'm trying to think of what was going on in 2005.
Iraq War.
Okay, these, they'd stopped selling the new ones. They were all the rage. These ones probably, people wanted the new ones. This is why sometimes going first is better.
I'm done. I've made my bed.
I think they're $10,000. If it's less than $8,000, Max, suck my butt, okay? And you did it on purpose, and I'm gonna be mad.
Our seller listed the car for $14,500.
Oh, thank God. All right, I'm still a Catfish King. Thank God.
This is a 93 Volkswagen Golf GL with a 2.0 turbocharged, sold in 2006 and listed on Volkswagen Vortex. Now this has an ATP turbo kit that makes 247 wheel horsepower.
This is when I was very active on VW Vortex.
That seems like a lot of horsepower to the wheels for that.
How much was it?
247 to the wheels. he
247 to the
claims.
wheels?
Isn't that ripping on that little
Yeah, that thing would rip. Mine has 327 to the wheels.
thing? Yeah. Oh,
with an LSD.
30.
3,800 bucks. I'm gonna say $5,000.
Okay.
Well, the list price for the Golf was $1,500.
$1,500?
What a bargain.
Dude, are you kidding me?
You could get cool cars that you didn't care about to do fun stuff.
Everybody
And
Sebring
Buick Regals.
Buick Regals that I don't even want to go in because they're full of toenails.
Okay, our next car is a 1995 E36 M3 listed for sale in 2009 on Zilvia.net. This is Daytona Violet. It's got a 5-speed. It's got 140,000 miles on it.
It's got the Vader seats in it. I would 100% buy this car if it were $20,000 or less right now.
A Daytona Violet M3 sold on Bring a Trailer this month for $29,000.
Yeah. See,
Why does it look different?
it's got wheels on it. It's got clear corner lights.
Yeah.
It's lowered.
Yeah.
It's purple.
Those are all the reasons it looks weird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say $7,500 bucks.
I'm gonna say 10.5.
$6,999.
If you own this car, I'll buy it for 6.
Are you guys ready for our final vehicle?
Final vehicle.
All
Let's
right.
go.
Our next and final car is a 1999 Nissan GTR R34 V-Spec, the actual hero car from Fast and Furious, purchased originally from Motorex by Craig Lieberman. This was before it was in the movie.
Okay.
Craig Lieberman purchased this vehicle as his own personal car from Motorex. It was not on a forum, but this was the price that Motorex actually charged for an R34, including California registration.
Has this car sold yet since the movie?
Not this
Recently?
exact car, but a comparable V-Spec R34 today would be about $200,000 to $300,000.
Okay, I'm thinking he paid $32,500
$32,000.
because I
Yeah.
still think it was expensive to get it in the whole Motorex deal, but you know they had to make money. But I don't know.
And I'm not making a play here. My initial thought was $35,000.
Yeah,
That's what I thought it would
do
be.
35.
That's what I'm guessing.
It's a good guess.
$35,000.
Yeah,
About as much as like an M3.
yeah.
The price of an R34 California legal in 2001 from Motorex was $78,000.
That's a lot more than I thought. That's way more than I thought. That makes me feel a little bit better.
Yeah, okay.
I guess.
Yeah,
All right,
78 grand.
Ended on a high note. It's an $80,000 car we thought was way cheaper.
Big thanks to CarParts.com for sponsoring today's video.
Being a car owner is rewarding, but it's also tough. Like any good relationship, it takes work to maintain. But thanks to Dr. Jerry's new book, Right Part, Right Price, My Life and Experience with CarParts.com, well, my relationship with my car has never been better.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jerry. I've been a car therapist for over 11 years and 16 days, so I know maintaining a strong relationship with your auto partner can be complicated.
I felt like my car was ignoring me. I didn't know what to do. That's when I found Dr. Jerry's Right Parts, Right Price. I opened the book, and inside was a phone, logged into CarParts.com.
People need to understand that CarParts.com is the smarter way to shop for auto parts, connecting you with the right part at the right price, hassle-free. Plus, at checkout, CarParts.com can link you to nearby auto shops to receive installation quotes for free.
A lot of these automotive help books have a lot of words. Dr. Jerry's book, no words. And it's just a perfect, easy way to get to CarParts.com. It's the perfect book.
And all of this could be yours for the low, low price of clicking the link in the description of this video. Get the right parts right now at CarParts.com. Check it out and maintain the love with your car today. Okay, are we done? Great, excellent. I wrote a book and I didn't write a single word, and people bought it. That's fantastic.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video and everything else on Donut Media. Follow Jeremiah on social media at Jeremiah Burton. Follow me at James Pumphrey. Follow Donut at Donut Media. Go to donutmedia.com. Get yourself some merch, including this new hat. It says Real Mechanic Stuff. Guaranteed to give it a whirl. Speaking of give it a whirl, go hang out with your friends. Pick up a wrench. Pick up a camera. Make some videos. It's fun! All right, until next time. Later, guys.